Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic on circle theorems, question number 6 with me, Mr. Barton. Now, we get our first instance of circle theorems being fused together with algebra and a little bit of proof. Really challenging questions, but again, if you know your circle theorems and you know your algebra, it's not too bad to fuse the two together. The points A, B, C, D line the circumference of the circle. BCD is angle X. Show, giving reasons in your answer, that the size of angle D to O to B, so that angle there, is equal to 360 take 2x. Now my advice is, ignore that. Just don't use that in your answer and just hope that when you get your final answer, it equals that. So I'm going to try and essentially work out D to O to B and hope that I get the same answer that they get. Right, what do I know? Well, let's have a little think here. I've got A, B, C, D is a four-sided shape where each of my points is on the circumference, otherwise known as a cyclic quadrilateral. So if that's angle X, I know the angle opposite it must add up to 180. So if that's X, this angle here must be 180 take X. 180 take X, because those two angles have got to add up to 180. So I'm going to write that down. BAD equals 180 take X. Reason, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180 degrees. Okay, so I know that. What else do I know? Well, I think what I've got here is an instance of angle at the centre, because I've got an angle here that's at the centre, D to O to B, and I've got an angle at the top here that's an angle on the circumference, D to A to B. And what do I know about that angle and that angle? Well, I know that the angle at the centre is twice the size of the angle at the circumference. So I can say that D to O to B is equal to 2 lots of the angle at the top. And the reason for that is angles at centre equal double angles at circumference. So 2 lots of 180 is 360. 2 lots of negative x is negative 2x, and before you know it, I've got the exact same answer that I want in quite efficient time. 4 marks, fusing together angles and algebra.